Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're connecting with us. It's Fiesta period, and we are few days to the Christmas and also few days to the New Year. Thank you so very much for following us. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for tuning your notification button. Thank you. And if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please kindly hit the subscription button right now. Do you know why? Because on a daily basis, we're going to be giving you beautiful tips on how to ensure that you have a successful building project right here in Edo State, right here in Nigeria. And very quickly, I want to say a very big thank you to everyone who has been connecting with us. The calls has been so much. Thank you so very much. So very quickly, behind us is a three-bedroom bungalow, a three-bedroom bungalow, all end sealed. And we gave you guys the update a while ago. But right now, we want to give you the finishing touch as the work progresses, the finishing touch on the artwork, the POP, and at the same time, the plumbing and also the Tyler guys working on the site. But before we go further on the site, Engineer Sego is live with
Yeah,
us
good
this
morning.
morning. Yeah, it's afternoon.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Good
And
afternoon.
just go, how you doing?
I'm okay, sir.
Thus far, how's the project going?
The project is going well. So we are doing ties right now. Then plumbing is working.
Okay.
Then the POP guy is working.
All right.
Then electrical is working also.
All right.
Yeah.
So for you to see all that, let's take you down into the building project fully. All right, let's go this way. Thank you. All right. We are progressing. We're progressing. We want to see for ourselves what's happening on site. We want to see for ourselves what's happening on site. So first and foremost, let's take a proper view on the artwork.
Yeah.
Let's take a proper view on the artwork that is done on the site so you can see for yourself the
This is
beauty.
our precast pillar.
Okay, this is a precast pillar.
Pillar. So, yeah, I always like this
You can have this to
design.
yourself.
So all my sites I always
This is your
use
house.
So all the sites I'm working, I always use this style
Okay,
for pillar because it just make the house dey bold,
okay,
look
that's this pillar,
mature.
right?
Yes, the pillar. I like this pillar on my own choice.
Okay,
Then this is our artwork, direct stamp. This is not precast,
okay,
direct stamp
for the artwork, right?
for the artwork. Direct stamp, as you can see, it just dey mature.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
let's move around. Let's move
Yeah.
around.
So plumbing is working.
Okay,
As you can see, plumbing is working now. So
okay,
plumbing is working now. So as you can see all our pipe.
yeah,
So this this pipe now, this pipe serve the WC.
okay,
This for WC. Then this for the where flush drain for
okay,
inside to suck away direct.
okay. We're progressing gradually.
Yeah. So at this angle we are putting our overhead tank. As you can see the direction of the pipe.
Okay,
So we are putting our overhead tank at this angle.
okay. So this is the back of the house.
Yeah, this is the back of the house.
Okay. So you can see the artwork.
Yes.
Artwork has been completed.
Yeah.
Artwork has
So
been completed.
this is our kitchen backyard.
Okay, so this is the kitchen backyard.
Yes. This is our kitchen backyard. You can step to the kitchen. This is the veranda. Yeah, this is our kitchen.
So there's the kitchen.
Yes. So Tyler is almost full for the kitchen room. And we are already finished our POP work here also.
Okay.
These are our floor tiles. You can see.
Alright. So this is the kitchen, right?
Yeah.
So they are doing the final maintenance right now.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's correct.
Yeah. So at least work is going on alright, you know. So this is the master's. This is the master's bedroom.
This is the master's bedroom.
Yeah. these are working closets for the master bedroom. This is the working closet for the master bedroom. Yes. So we are installing all our WC. These are our wash and base for the master toilet.
Okay.
Then these are our WC for the master toilet. As you can see, our shower pole. This is our shower pole for the hot and cool. This is our shower pool for the master of the room. And we also have our hanger here also.
Okay. Where is the hanger?
This is the hanger.
Alright. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Alright.
Achieve this. So Tyler now they are doing their maintenance. So as you can see, Tyler is working on it. So you can see Tyler is working. And these are our other toilet for the second room. And the other toilet for the second room.
Okay.
But with Tiger Shah, the work is progress. Work is progress.
So we are at the sitting room right now.
So yeah, we are in the sitting room. Oh, this is the sitting room. This is the sitting room. Tyler is working now. So these are our POP design for the master, the sitting room.
This one is the dining.
Yes, this is the dining room.
Okay. I love the design for the dining room.
Yeah.
The POP design for the dining room.
Thank you. So the work is moving on, Sean. Okay, moving on.
Alright, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, thank you so very much, Engineer Sego. Thank you so very much. I want to say a very big thank you to everyone who has been following us on our channel. Thank you so very much. And if you need our services, kindly do well to contact us on 07063151558. I call again 07063151558. I want to say a very big thank you to everyone who has been reaching out to us. Thank you so very much. And God bless you. I've got you covered. Thank you, and God bless you.